Hello, my name is Carlos Alberto Galvez. I've been this management student of the SENA in virtual format. Our bilingual instructor is Cesar Castillo Rodriguez. I am belong to the number 2977267. The name of the activity to think develops and to discuss possible solutions to possibilities within social and work contexts. Within the academy and work environment, and I was structured, respect and proactive. Three others with compassion and consideration as consider myself a resilient person, which help my adapt to new situation even if they affect me. I always seek to take the lesson plan the situation lies my and moving forward. I like to assimilate new knowledge with participatory and proactive. I look for coordination and teamwork to obtain results that benefit everyone. And coming to my obligation and be responsible for my action. Be Polas and Jack a good relation with my family, classmates, and instructor.